Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Sharaf. I am computer-aided design application engineer in AcadSystem. Welcome to our free online lesson. Today, I would like to teach you all and share to you all the tutorial how to create mechanical part in AutoCAD 3D. Before I start, I want to share that our website, you can type in acadsystems.com. So from here you can know all of about our company. So actually, our company is a gold partner with Autodesk. So we are the reseller for Autodesk software. So you can buy from us, or you can purchase the software that you want from us. Let's say the AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, AutoCAD normal AutoCAD, Inventor, Autodesk Inventor, Revit, and other things. So from here also, we provide training. We provide training also so we go to see our syllabus first, course syllabus. So you can type in AutoCAD acadsystems.com and then go to syllabus. And so this is all of training that we provide in our company. So we have AutoCAD training, essential training. We have AutoCAD 3D hybrid training. We have AutoCAD advanced, AutoCAD electrical training, AutoCAD mechanical essential training, AutoCAD Plan 3D, Autodesk 3D Max, AutoCAD AutoLeads, Revit, Civil, 3D, Navisworks, Inventor, and BIM 360. So many things that we provide in our company trainings. So you can contact us if you want to join our company, right? So you can know all of about our company also. And if you have some question, you can ask from here and our agent will answer it. And next, you can also attend our free online lesson. So you can see from here that our free online lesson coming soon, right? Right, I just approve. Okay, we approve first. All right. Okay, welcome to our free online lesson. So just now I just explained that our website first. You can type in acadsystems.com, so you can know all of our free online lesson from here. Is the all of free online lesson coming soon, right? So we go to the chapter. So in this lesson, we learn on how to create 2D drawing first, second, create 3D drawing, third, polar array, fourth is extrude, and fifth is change view, and sixth, adding color, and more. Let's start the lesson. So this is the example, the mechanical part that I draw today. So we go to create this part, right? So this is the mechanical part, and I insert the color. The color is maroon, right? So how to create it? Right? First thing, how to create it, you need to open your AutoCAD first. So you can create 3D model in AutoCAD full only, which is normal AutoCAD. You cannot create 3D model in AutoCAD LT. So AutoCAD LT means AutoCAD Lite. So you need to have this AutoCAD full, and you have this. When you bought this AutoCAD full, you have 3D modeling. So you can create 3D modeling in AutoCAD. Right. So and then you open your AutoCAD first, and then go here and choose 3D modeling. And the windows will change to 3D modeling. So this is the interface for 3D modeling. Next step is we set up the unit, which is you type UN to set up the unit and enter. And the length type is decimal and precision is 0.00 and the unit is millimeter. Right, and just click OK. So we go to create the 2D drawing first, right? So we use circle, center radius, right? Center the radius and click anywhere, any coordinate, random. And then the first radius is 11, enter. Make sure you turn on your object snap for center. So when I click, when I go to the circle, it will, right, let's say I choose line and then I attach to the circle, the center point will appear, right? So it helps you to create the drawing. So if I turn off object snap for center point and I use command, let's say line, and then I just attach my mouse to the circle and the center point is not disappear because I off the object snap for center point. So the function is the function of object snap is to help you to get the marking. So you can get the marking for endpoint, midpoint, center, geometric, non quadrant. So it will help you to create a drawing. So when I turn on the center and I use circle also, and now I know the center point, right? So we create the second circle, which is the second, the radius is 14, enter. And then circle also again, and then click on the center point. And then the radius is 17, enter. Again, and then center point, and then the radius is 22.5, enter. And then last, click on the center point, enter. And the radius is 26. But the big circle, I changed the color because it is just a guideline or dummy line. And go to properties, click on the circle, right click, and then go to properties, and then change the color for red. So is my dummy line, and escape. Right, next we go to use line. You can select here for line, or you just type L and enter, forget the line command. And then go to the center point, and then don't enter the length, the value of length, or you just click tap on your keyboard, so you can change the angle also. So I just want to insert the angle only. So the angle is 45 degree, and enter. Right. Actually, you can use other method, which is you can use, right, setting, right, okay, I check first, all right, and then wait to So, okay, we just use this method. The second method we will teach you on other free online lesson. So we use this simple method to insert the angle. So I repeat, and then we use line, click on and just attach on your circle, any circle to get the center point. Don't click, just move your mouse to the circle and this center point will appear and just click it. And then random length, but outside the circle, and then click tag to change the angle and enter 45 degree and click enter. All right. Next, we use circle and then we attach here, click here, and then the radius is 6, right? And use circle again. Remember, use radius because the dimension is radius. And go to the circle, and then the second circle is 2.5 radius, and enter. What is different between radius and diameter? Diameter means radius times 2. Yeah. So I just explain first what is different between radius and diameter. So radius from here to the center point to the circle, right? This is radius. Right? This is radius. Diameter is from here to here. Yeah, this radius. Right. Delete it first. All right. Next, we go to delete this line, and then we go to right. Okay, and then we go to use fillet. All right. When I click fillet, select the object. So I use radius, right? So the radius for fillet is 7. Enter and multiple. Multiple is means you want to chamfer many times, not one time. So click on the circle and then click on this circle. So it will fillet. So this is multiple, and I still get the command. If I use normal fillet, when I fillet, we will remove the command lah. Actually, I use multiple because I want to fillet it many times. And click on this circle and this circle. All right. And then I delete this red circle. And then I trim. Okay, no trim first. And then I use circular. Sorry, polar array. I use polar array. And then select the object first. So I want to array this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then click it. Specify center point of array. So this is my center point for array, right? And then the item is 6. Sorry, the item is 4 and enter. So it will become look like this. So now I turn on associative. When you create the array, the associative will open automatically. So let's say I close the array. Right. So I just move my mouse and I click on my array. It will select everything. So it will select the 4 circle, the side of circle. So make sure if you want to create array and you still want to open this interface, make sure you turn on your associative, right? So now I want to turn off because I want to make it more properties, more properties, more properties, more properties, different properties. So I just undo, and then I use polar array, and then select the object, select fillet, circle, and small circle, and then enter, and then specify the center point of array, right? The point array, and then the item is 4, I change to the 4, and then the associative I turn off and close array, right? So it will become one unit, different properties, right? So next example is you forget it, and then you just array with turn on associative, enter, and then point is here, and then right. Let's say you use array, and then you forgot to turn off associative, so it become one unit. So when I open it, you cannot turn off it yet because it will not appear on the surface, on the interface. So just close, don't worry, just click on your array and then type explode. Explode, and then when you drag your mouse, it will become different properties, right? So now you can trim it. Type TR for trim, and trim this one, this one, this one. So I can trim it. I can trim it properly like this. Right. Let's say I use, right. Let's say this one is one properties, the array. I'm not explode it yet. So I just use trim, TR for trim, and try to trim it. So the circle, I cannot trim it. I can't trim it because it is one properties, right? This one, and this one. This four circle is one property, so I cannot trim it. So make sure you explode it before you trim it, so you can trim it properly. That explode, and then TR for trim and trim it, so I can trim it properly. Make sure you explode it. So if your object have array, you cannot trim it lah. Right. Like this. So you can trim it properly and escape. Okay. So it is my 2D drawing for my mechanical part. So how to change the view? Actually, you can play with this cube, but I not recommend. So very difficult, right? Very complicated when you want to play with this cube. Right. Okay. Right. Or you can change the view from here. Sorry, it's loop. Okay, the view is SW asymmetric or SE asymmetric. So I choose SE asymmetric, and then it will look like this, right? So now we go to extrude it. All right. So for extrude, I use press tool. Too easy. When I use press pull is more easy than I use extrude. So I just use press pull, and I just go to the object or to the drawing, and I click here and I go up. So the dimension is 3. So I extrude 3 and click enter. So it will look like this, right? So how to change the view, right? How to change the look? So you can change the look from here. So I choose shaded with edge. So it will look like this, right? Or I choose to shaded, it will look like this. Let's say I choose to conceptual, it will look like this. All right. Hidden, realistic, look like this. Wireframe, like this. And S-ray, look like this. Right. So I like to use shaded or realistic. This realistic, right? So I choose realistic to the look. All right. Actually, you can change the view here also. So you can select here to change the view. Right. To change the look. Right. To change the view, you can select here. Right. So I choose realistic. All right. Now we go to press pull the object again. Right. Right. So I use this one. So go up for 8.5. 8.5 and then enter. Now it will look like this. And then next we use press pull again, and then go to the 2D drawing inside and go up. Go up for 12 and then enter. So this is my mechanical part done for extrude and everything. So this is my mechanical part already done to create it. But now I want to change the color. How to change the color, right? Just go select the object, select everything, and then right click, and then properties, and then you can change the color here. If you want to change many color, more selection, select color, and you can change it. So let's say I choose for yellow color, and then it will look like this, right? It will look like this. Let's say I choose for magenta. Magenta will look like this, right? So you can change many color here. For this mechanical part, I choose this maroon color. So I like maroon color, and then just click OK. Or I need to select the item first, the object first, and then select the color, and then select here, and then click OK. Right, and then it will look like this. So I perform it, my mechanical part here. So you can see here. You can change the view here on top. Want to change the top, you see the top and bottom, left, right, 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 front, back, SW isometric, will like this, SW SC isometric, this, NE isometric, like this, and NW isometric. So it will look like this, right? So that's all for this free online lesson for creating mechanical part. Thank you for watching me on when I'm teaching this mechanical part. See you on other free online lesson. See you on next free online lesson. So if you have some question, you can ask from here. All right, any question? Thank you. Bye bye.